great soup made with Oden, aka fish cakes. It's perfect for a cold winter day and is super simple to make, so why don't we get started? A packet of bonito flakes for stock, which is totally optional. Use a strainer so it doesn't float all around the soup. We're looking at chili peppers, spring onions, kondu, and daikon radish here, which are used for stock. Pour water in a pot and place all the ingredients and boil. This is tsuyu sauce for udon base. If you don't have it, then mix equal parts of mirin and soy sauce and twice for 3 times more water. When veggies are cooked, remove everything except for the radish and add fish cakes. Finish off with fresh green onions and chilies.